In April 2026, the UK engineering and manufacturing sector came together for one of the industry's most important events, the MACH 2026 exhibition. Held at the NEC Birmingham, MACH once again demonstrated why it remains the UK's premier showcase for advanced manufacturing technologies. Over 5 days, thousands of engineers, innovators, and decision-makers explored the latest developments shaping the future of industry. From automation and robotics to precision machining and digital transformation. MACH brought the entire manufacturing ecosystem together under one roof. This is where business happens, where ideas are shared, and where the future of engineering takes shape. At the heart of the conversation were two of the UK's leading industry publications, Manufacturing Production Solutions and Engineering Maintenance Solutions. As proud official media partners of MACH 2026, both publications were on the ground capturing the very best of the event, from exclusive interviews and expert insight to real-world case studies and the latest product innovations, delivering the stories that matter to engineers, manufacturers, and industry leaders across the UK. Because behind every machine, every system, and every breakthrough, there are people, engineers, problem solvers, innovators, manufacturing production solutions, and engineering maintenance solutions are proud to support the industries that keep the UK moving. And MACH 2026 was a powerful reminder that the future of manufacturing is already here. Discover more at industrialdirector.co.uk and engineeringmaintenance.info. Engineering insight, industry innovation, delivered.